Hello and welcome back. This is Rafi once again. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Fiverr affiliate program once again. So yesterday I shared my experience about this platform, how much I have been earning from the platform over the years, then how is it going as of now, and why my earnings started declining on the platform. And then I shared some of the information on what are some of the things that I'm going to do to increase the earning again. And today I have got a good news. So if I take you here on my Fiverr affiliate dashboard, you can see from 100 and something, today I have got the commission as 334 US dollars, and the balance has been also increased. Now if I take you here on earning report, you can see today I have earned 140 US dollars. So I had a misunderstanding about the platform. I used to promote the Fiverr business programs and I used to earn 100 commissions over and over and over again. But after I got introduced with their new affiliate commission structure, which is from Fiverr Pro, you'll earn 70% of the first offer or first order from a client. So I thought, and actually the income or earning has been declined for me, and I thought it's not possible to earn that much money from the platform. But again, I am being able to earn money. For instance, here you go on 15th, like today I have earned 140, and yesterday I earned 87.5. And the good thing is my sub affiliates, like some of you guys who have been joining Fiverr affiliate program by using my affiliate links, we have been following the tutorials that I have been sharing on the platform. And if you want, we have got these tutorials here, as you can see here. This is the latest update that I have uploaded yesterday. Then a little bit about Fiverr affiliate program, how to set up payment method of Fiverr affiliate program, how I do my first withdrawal, then I have received the payment, then how you can promote the Fiverr affiliate program on Quora completely free of cost with free traffic, and then how to keep your Quora account safe, how to promote affiliate program on Twitter. Then I have got how you can promote the program on Pinterest. Then here you go, I had some issues with the platform, like they didn't pay me this much money, then again they paid me this much money, which was really good. Then how you can create a landing page to promote affiliate products, how to start a blog for affiliate marketing, and many other tutorials you're gonna find. I'm gonna attach this link into the video description so that you can start watching and learning if you haven't yet. So now if I take you back, many of you guys who have been following the tutorials, you guys have been earning money. As you can see here, this one, sub affiliate commission, I have earned 7 from you or your activities. That means you have earned 70 US dollars on this platform. For this person, it's a low amount that he or she earned, but I have got a little bit of commission. That's that sub, that's a good thing. And here you go, someone earned $15 and I have earned 1.5 from as the revenue share. So that's the thing. And here we go, the possibilities are really good, and the things that I do to earn money from Fiverr affiliate program I have already shared on these videos. So many of you guys have made comments like you want to learn from the beginning, so so I thought, why shouldn't I share this playlist with you so that you can go through the videos and start implementing the things that I have shown, and you can also start earning money. So this was a quick update. I believe you have found this video helpful, informative, and kind of motivating as well, so that you can start focusing on the thing. And the more you will learn about a platform, the more you will learn about a way to make money, the more you will start earning. And the people who are not getting success, please don't get worried. You have to experiment different kind of approaches and see what works for you and what doesn't. Then choose the one that works and excel that, so that you will start earning money as well. So basically the earning you are seeing here, most of the earnings I have been making like passively. So if I take you here, now let me take you to 2022 January, and January 1st to this date, you can see how much I have earned from this platform. Here you go, 9,460 US dollars. Here you go, I have got paid 8,802, and most of the earning I have earned was passive. And you can see how much I have been earning from each of the referrals or each of the first time buyers I've been getting into the platform. So thank you so much for watching, and if you have got questions, please feel free to ask me by commenting below. Share this video if you think someone else will get some insight or help from this one. And again, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Have a good day. Bye bye.